So the most important thing is we can do all of this planning until the cows come home, but we need to take action. When we take action, things become clear. We can make better decisions. So we might take an action, things are not quite working out the way we want them to. We can then pivot and make another decision that'll take us closer to our goal. We learn as we go along, but if we never take action, we're never going to be able to do that. We're never going to be able to make those steps forward to reach the goals that we want to reach. So don't overthink. Progress over perfection. Take that step. It doesn't have to be the most perfect step ever taken. You can always change. You can always go in a different direction if what you thought would work doesn't work. It's within your power. All you need to do is start. You have your idea, you've drawn up a plan, then you have to take that action. You have to take that first step, and then you start all over again. Yeah? You can either keep going in the same direction, or you kind of go, that's not working, new idea, new plan, new step forward. Really exciting. So don't get hung up on what didn't work. It's just a learning opportunity, and you can choose to do whatever you want to do.